Madam, we are greatly honored by your esteemed presence amongst us here today and are grateful to you for agreeing to give away the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awards. As always, everyone is eagerly looking forward to your valedictory address for guidance and inspiration. It is my honor also to welcome our chief guest to PBD 2010, Lord Khalid Hamid. Sir, we are grateful for your inspiring speech at the inaugural ceremony, which confirmed to us that Indian history will ensure follow-up action on the suggestions arising out of this PBD. I'm happy also to welcome Shri Venu Srinivasan, President of Confederation of Indian Industry, our institutional partner for PBD 2010. But for the relentless efforts on the part of the CII, this PBD would not have been possible. Over 1,500 participants from over 50 countries have attended PBD 2010. I thank you all for your support and your active participation in the deliberations.
The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awards are conferred on a non-resident Indian or a person of Indian origin or an organization or institution established and run by NRIs and PIOs who've made significant contributions towards the better understanding of India abroad and supported India's causes and concerns in a tangible way to make significant contributions for the welfare of the diaspora. This can be notable contributions in philanthropic, charitable work, social, humanitarian causes in India or abroad, significant contributions in building closer links between India and its diaspora in economic, cultural, and scientific fields, or eminence in their fields for outstanding work, which has enhanced India's prestige in the country of their residence. This is both for professional and non-professional workers. PBS awardees are selected by a jury-cum-awards committee that is chaired by the Honorable Vice President of India and consists of members who are eminent in various walks of life. The award includes a citation, a booklet, a scroll which is signed by the President of India, and a 100-gram, 24-carat gold medal. I'd like to request the Honorable President of India, Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Ji Patil, to come to the front of the dais to give away the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awards. A physician turned entrepreneur, Dr. Azad has combined his medical excellence with an ambitious vision and a passion to reach out to the underprivileged. He manages one of the largest healthcare service network providers in GCC countries and in India. The group conducts free healthcare camps for Indian laborers at remote locations throughout the GCC countries. He is involved in several organizations focusing on issues relating to educational and social well-being of the Indian community in the UAE. His philanthropic activities in India include financial help to people to find a better livelihood and free medical facilities to economically deprived sections. Dr. Azad Moopen.